In this video, I'll be showing you the if condition where we can use in two different ways, and it's going to be on dated if. So I have thought of making two set of records for one. So the thing is, when you do a normal uh, a normal calculation on this, when you do this minus this, you will get an answer. Suppose if you do this minus this, get answer, it's a zero, and you can get a answer. I showed you in the previous video you can use a dated if on this. So the thing in here, it should be like the higher value will be this one and minus this and enter. So now if you do, you will get the answer. But the problem here is sometimes you have to calculate this as one. So you have to calculate this telling this is a one, not a zero. So you can do this by adding if in this. You can just add an if, open parenthesis, and we can say if the logical value is equals to zero, then the answer should be 0 plus 1. Or else you can do is you can hit enter. Now you will get answer 1. But when you come down, so you get a false over here, because the answer over here is it is more than 0. So you have to have one more argument in that. You can do in two ways. You can either make a nested if. You can make a nested if, open parenthesis. Let me do this. You can do is remove the parenthesis, put a comma. So it's a nested if, open parenthesis, this minus this date. If it is greater than 0, then I want the value to be same, so I want the same value. So if it is equal to 0, then I want 0 plus 1. If it is the same, I want this value minus this. So now there are two ifs. I have to have two parentheses, 1 2, and hit enter. When I double click down, again you can see a false. The reason if you are getting a false is the answer over here is only for greater than 0, so it should be greater than 0. So it was less than 0. So when you make it, you have to follow the signs properly. Greater than 0 is this way, so you get this answer. So I showed you making this answer in the nested if, but you don't need to do the nested if over here. So in the if, we already have functions for true or false. So I'm going to show you how to cut this nested if off and make it in the simple way. So it will be like if, open parenthesis, this value minus this value equals to a 0, then the answer should be 0 plus 1, comma. I don't want to have a nested if. I'll be having a normal if only. So this is already a logical function. This is the value if it is true. So what I'll be doing is I will make the value if it is false. So what value of the false will be like, or else I need the answer is same. So I'll be doing the same. So I don't want to copy that. I'll be doing b2 minus a2. So this is the answer for false. So I'll be closing the parenthesis. So there is only one parenthesis because it's only one if condition. It's not a nested if. So I got the answer, and I got the answer over here. So this is the way we have to see that where we can use a nested if and where we can use a normal if. So it is like normal if versus nested if. So I will show you in the next video how to use the same thing when you're using a dated if. So I hope you found this video useful, and please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button, and please share this video, and see you in the next video.